Fan is good. Better than the AC. Then we were designing this. We have a provision to put AC here, but we are not putting. And actually here a big chandelier was to come. And plan was to put AC like we put in the auditorium. And it was costing 50 lakhs. This cost us 2 lakhs. Better. And because such a height, you have to close, keep the windows, doors all the time closed. Here we are getting fresh air. In AC we generally rotate the same fresh air. Lot of light. So those who have come here, they can relate to what I am talking. The fan in the temple hall is doing wonderful job. Okay. Iti vyavasita vipra tasya ragna prajataye purusho purodasham nirvapan Shipi Vishtaya Vishnave Iti Vyavasita Vipraha Tasya Ragnaha Prajate Purodasham Niravapan Shipi Vishtaya Vishnave Iti Vyavasita Vipras Tasya Ragnaha Prajataye Purodasham Niravapan Shipi Vishtaya Vishnave. iti thus. Vyavasitaha, having decided. Vipraha, the Brahmanas. Tasya, his. Ragnaha, of the king. Prajataye, for the purpose of getting a son. Purodasham, the paraphernalia of sacrifice. Niravapan, offered. Shipi Vishtaya, to the Lord, who is situated in the sacrificial fire. Vishnave, to Lord Vishnu. For the sake of a son for King Anga, they decided to offer oblations to Lord Vishnu, who is situated in the hearts of all the living entities. Hare Krishna Maharaj.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Purport by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada ki jai. According to sacrificial rituals, animals are sometimes sacrificed in the yajna arena. Such animals are sacrificed not to kill them but to give them new life. Such action was an experiment to observe whether the Vedic mantras were being properly pronounced. Sometimes small animals are killed in a medical laboratory to investigate therapeutic effects. In a medical clinic, the animals are not revived. But in the yajna arena, when animals were sacrificed, they were again given life by the potency of Vedic mantras. The word Shipi Vishtaya appears in this verse. Shipi means the flames of the sacrifice. In the sacrificial fire, if the oblations are offered into the flames, then Lord Vishnu is situated there in the form of the flames. Therefore, Lord Vishnu is known as Shipi Vishta. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitham Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Pashyata Deshatarine. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna everywhere. Iti vyavasita vipraha tasya ragnaha prajataye purodasham niravapan shipi vishtaya vishnave. For the sake of the son of Father King Anga, they decided to offer oblation to Lord Vishnu, who is situated in the hearts of all the living entities. कितना स्पीड है अभी? मैक्सिमम 7 हाँ 7 8 नहीं रखने का 7 फाइनल बिल्कुल ठीक है. Very good. So now today we can meditate on something very interesting point and give me examples. You see, we saw in the life of King Dhruva, we just read recently, there was a lot of tamasha. He's not allowed to climb the lamp of his father, and his stepmother curses him, and then alone the small boy leaves to the forest, does severe austerities. But at the end, even though if you look till all the time till the austerities, looks like everything is going negative. Everything is going negative. But at the end, he got Krishna. So Krishna is always what is known as Adbhuta-karmaṇaḥ. What kind of person? Adbhuta-karmaṇaḥ. When Krishna lifted mountain, it is so wonderful. Actually, every moment Krishna is wonderful. But we cannot easily perceive. Because of our limited faith, because of limited realizations, we cannot perceive that. Prahlad Maharaj, he saw Narasimha Deva was so ferocious. He just torn his father into pieces, killed so many soldiers, and so angry. But he had full faith. And the devatas sitting there, even though they are very advanced devotees, but not pure devotee. Pure devotee means 100%. Advanced devotee means 90%, 99%. But that 1% of faithlessness, they could not enter the assembly. Little doubt is there. Has he lost his control on himself? In anger, we lose control on ourselves. Right? Some doubt is there. That's why they are not pure devotees. Otherwise, they will not be devata, they will be in the spiritual world. Right? They hesitated. They hesitated. But Prahlad Maharaj just walked in. Even though the Lord is so angry, he knows he is Adbhuta, he is wonderful, he is wonderful. He is angry, he is wonderful. In every situation, he is wonderful. Full faith. Therefore, he says, my Lord, I am not scared of your ferocious form. Naivo dhuje paradhuratya vaitara. I am not scared even of this ferocious material existence. In a material existence, we have fear. Because we are not sure the God is in control. इसलिए भय आ जाता है. जिसको confidence है God is in control, उसको भय नहीं आता. Just like, say, famous example, the cat is holding the kitten and cat is holding the rat. The kitten knows I am being taken care by love, and he's not worried. But the rat knows I am gone. So हमको, because we are rat, we are trying to become kitten. हमको पता नहीं है कि कौन सा एक्शन चल रहा है अभी, रैट वाला या किटन वाला. यार है काम तो किटन के ही, रैट के ही है. But we are hoping that we will be held in love like a kitten. So anyways, the situation is that even though we see various difficult positions come, my devotee has full faith actually that Krishna is taken care. And the normal people who do not have vision of this, they put the devotees in their own platform. I met somebody, he was telling me that I feel that Pandava's mind was in pieces. Because I saw him in great anxiety. I said, you are a devotee, why should you be in anxiety? You should be peaceful. Correct? He said, no, Pandava's mind was in pieces. No, sir. That's your misreading. Pandavas are pure devotees. Always their heart is filled with ecstasy of love of Krishna. Externally they may act, but internally the heart is always full of love of Krishna. Okay, now give me some example where apparently the devotee was in a difficult position, but actually it was the benediction of the Lord. Yes? Anybody? Prahlad Maharaj? Yes. How come? Hare Krishna?
Rudrasura.
Dhritarashtra? Wow, please explain to me.
Rudrasura.
Prabhuji, King Ambarish.
No, you please explain Dhritarashtra. Why do you say Dhritarashtra? Ambarish, please explain. He was in a
Not Ambarish, Prabhuji. What I meant was King Parikshit.
King Parikshit, very good. Parikshit Maharaj, how? Please explain.
Prabhuji, he got a curse and he got a very limited time to live and to put everything in order. But he took it as the benediction of the Lord, which it was, because the world got Bhagavatam and he got the blessings and everything of all the sages and the Lord himself. So the curse became a benediction.
Very
We all
good.
gained. That
Very
is what
good.
it is.
Now, in
Yes,
your life,
sir.
somebody curses you like that, will you take it as a benediction?
No, Prabhuji, we can't.
Somebody come, I'll kill you in 7 days. With the snake bite. Will you say, my Lord, thank you very much. Adbhuta-karmaṇaḥ.
But Prabhuji, as devotees, we would say that is actually the Lord is in control. So
Yeah.
whatever happens will be his decision, not my decision.
Now just wear the shoes of Parikshit Maharaj. How much faith he must have on the Lord, not to cry and take complete shelter of Krishna's lotus feet. See, devotee always takes shelter of Krishna. Particularly in situations like that, he takes complete shelter. Yes, Sarita Mataji, you are giving some other example. Tell me. She
Prabhuji,
tell me.
this one, the Chitraketu Vritasura, when he became after
What
that.
happened? What happened?
When he was cursed by Parvati Mata, then he took it as a benediction only, and he became Vritasura. Though he was a demon, but he was a divine demon when he became. And he got celebration after fighting with Indra.
He went back to Godhead.
So
So
that was not to
apparently,
be a benediction.
yeah, very good. So if you had to look till the last minute when the Lord liberated him, it looked like a horror. What is all this? What is all this? It's God is not in control. Such a sad thing is happening. So can you take everything in your life now as a benediction? Continue. Which is the other example? You know that who was that elephant which was cursed? The king was cursed to become an elephant. Which was the king?
Gajendra.
Who was the personality in Krishna's life?
Indradumna Maharaj.
Yes. What happened to him? So now if you see the whole thing, becoming an elephant, getting caught by a crocodile, what is God doing? Such a great devotee. And people like us, we will lose faith in God also, walk away. We'll Japamala bhi rakh denge, ho gaya. Ye kya fayda hua? Look at him. Right? Many people lose faith in God when some adverse situation occurs. Ye Bhagwan kar kya rahe the? है ना? But if you see till the last minute, what happens to him? Krishna personally took him back to God. Isn't it? So beautiful. So will you be able to take like that? What happened to Chitraketu? He became Vritasura. If you see the whole situation, becoming Vritasura, a demon, all the devatas are attacking him. He's a great Rakshasa, Asura. He kya kar diya Bhagwan ne, hai na? So much tapasya I did. And finally what happened? The Lord took him back. Yes.
Hare Krishna.
Narada Muni.
Nalkuber.
Yeah, Nalakuvera Managripa. What happened?
Manigriva. Nalkuber Mani. The Kuber's son. And when they were doing
But they didn't do anything. But they didn't do anything good, no? What the good thing they did? Tell me.
He cursed them.
Now, what the good thing they did? The good thing they
And
did
after,
was no.
in the Dwapar Yuga, they got liberated by the Supreme Personality.
Yes, well, what is the good
That
thing
was the
they did?
condition.
But you may, seeing their situation, you can say that even you do bad things, God is so kind. Adbhuta-karmaṇaḥ. Yeah. No, that was he says, Prabhupada explained that they had the great fortune to see Narada. That was their turning point of life. They had the great fortune to take darshan of Narada. Just by seeing Narada Muni, their life changed. Amazing. Yes, anything else? Anybody else?
Narada Muni Prabhuji.
Yeah, which example?
Narada Muni got cursed that he cannot stay in one place, he have to keep moving, and he took as a benediction to spread the message of the God.
Very good. One more curse. Narada Muni got one more curse. Previous life, he was what, a Gandharva. He got cursed to become a son of a maid servant. Very unfortunate position. But in this life, he got good opportunity. Yes, Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji, Durvasa Muni cursed the son of a Muni because he cut Durvasa Muni's shikha. So he cursed him to become a crocodile for 4 yugas. In the 4th yuga, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu touched the crocodile and he turned into this.
Abba, you all become expert in Chaitanya Leela. Great. Yes,
Prabhuji? Prabhuji?
Lalita,
Prabhuji?
which
Prabhuji?
one?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Nirga Maharaj,
What is the story?
he was a king. He used to offer dan, that he was giving away cows to all the Brahmins. And then a particular stage came, one of the Brahmin who got the 100 cows, he was giving every day 100 cows to all Brahmins. And next day when a Brahmin saw one cow was missing, so he went and he wanted to find out where his cow is gone. But then he found another, his same cow, which he could recognize. and some other Brahmin was, bringing that cow along with him. So when he asked him, this is my cow, it is supposed to be with me. But that the other Brahmin was saying, no, it has just been given by Nriga Maharaj. So they went there and they were wild at Maharaj, saying that, how can you give the same arms? You have already given me the cow, but the same arm you're giving to other person also. How can it be possible? So both of them cursed him and to be in the well for a long time and all. So the only mistake what he did was he wasn't taking the Lord's name. And
what happened? What happened? He became a lizard.
He became a lizard and he lived in the well for a very long time. Till Krishna was, there.
So if you would have looked at his life till the last minute when Krishna touched him, you would say, see, he did so much punya, and what is this word? He became a lizard. What kind of God is this? So it is said, the God's activities are very difficult to understand. Tatya nukampam susukshamaanaha bhunjana atmakritam vipakam ridvag papovi vididam namaste jivet yo mukti pade dadaya bhag. I'll just conclude now. It is said, if in any condition, in every condition, even difficult position, tatya anukampam, you are always seeking, my Lord, see the change of attitude now. Make this attitude, try as a sadhaka. My Lord, please be merciful to me. Please beg every moment. My Lord, please be merciful to me. Please be merciful to me. Keep walking every step, every breath like that. Bhunjana atmakritam vipakam. Even if you get some difficulty, atmakripam, it is because of my own sinful deeds. Don't blame God. I deserve more. Hridavag vapovi vididam namaste. With body, mind and word. Hrida, vak, vapu. With the body, vapu. Vak with words. Hrida with the heart, with the mind. The body, minds and words. Vididam namaste. Keep offering obeisances to Krishna. Krishna, please take my humble obeisances. Please accept my humble obeisances. Keep praying to Krishna. Keep offering your obeisances to him all the time. Hridavag bhupi vididam namaste. Jivena yo mukti pade sadaya bhag. Such a person is actually entitled to go back to Godhead. It becomes his right. Daya bhak means right. How beautiful it is. So can you live like that? Now whatever happens you see in your life, wonderful, wonderful. Krishna, you are wonderful. We see the creation, wonderful. We see our own face in the mirror, wonderful. Everything Krishna you does. Somebody comes and slaps you, wonderful, wonderful. Somebody says you are an idiot, wonderful, wonderful. All the moment, positive things we always say wonderful. Negative things also wonderful. Krishna, you are in total control of the situation. I don't know what is your plan, but I know your plan is good for me. Okay? Accept it. Not that Krishna, I'll only accept the positive thing, don't give me anything negative. Whatever situation, Krishna, I accept it. And if it is painful, okay, very good. This is, Krishna Sevani, Kalindi Devi Dasi. Hare Krishna Mataji, can we hear the
Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranams Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
So happy to see you now having new name, yeah.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, all glories to Srila Prabhupada and you encouraging everyone.
Yeah. Yeah, sing the song, this shloka.
Yes, Prabhuji. Vipada santuta shashvat tatra tatra jagadguru bhavato darshanam yasyat apunar bhavadarshanam.
So nice your voice.
Hare Krishna.
You can chant few more times, so beautiful.
Vipada santuta shashvat tatra tatra jagadguru bhavato darshanam yasyat apunar bhavadarshanam. Vipada santuta shashvat tatra tatra jagadguru bhavato darshanam yasyat apunar bhavadarshanam.
Yes, what's the meaning?
The translation and by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. I wish, Kunti is saying, I wish that all those calamities would happen again and again so that we could see you again and again. For seeing you means that we will no longer see repeated births and deaths. Hare
How
Krishna.
beautiful. How beautiful. We will not see again repeated birth and death, if you see. So seeing all the life was full of calamity. But anybody will say, what is this? I am an aunt of Krishna, I am such a great devotee, my sons are great devotees, and what kind of God is this? She's saying, our life was full of calamities, let more calamities come. And she's seeing positive in that, because whenever difficult position comes, she sees that I intensely pray to Krishna. Hare Krishna, thank you everybody.
Thank you so much, Prabhu.
You can see all around, we have polishing of the temple floor. Some things are going on at the preparation for Janmashtami. Those people who missed to come for the inauguration can join us for the Janmashtami. Welcome. Everything is set now. We have all arrangements. You can easily come and join us. We need many hands. We have to start conceiving how to handle. Presently, I think we reach something like 2,000 to 3,000 crowd per day. Janmashtami maybe more. Okay, so we have to be ready for that, queue arrangements, everything we should be ready. We should not fall into some kind of a disaster. Krishna may, what comes we don't know. Yes, thank you Athira and Aditya. Krishna, yes, you are correct. Bharat Maharaj became Jada Bharata. These are all benediction curses. So any difficulty, take it in a positive way. Be peaceful always. Hare Krishna, Vancha Kalpatarubhyasya Kripa Sindhubhya Evacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo
Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha.
You
Hare
all
Krishna,
can see,
Prabhuji.
you are not getting darshan today now, but you can see beautiful form of Narsimha. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Thank you, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna,
Dandavat
Prabhuji. Thank you
pranam.
so much, Prabhuji.
Prabhuji.
Sadir Pranam.
Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
Chitra
Hare Krishna,
Devi
Prabhuji.
Srinivasan.
Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Chitra Devi
हरे
Srinivasan.
कृष्णा प्रभु जी मैं चेन्नई से बात कर रही हूँ
Yeah.
प्रभु जी आई एम टेकिंग यू बैक 2 minutes before the discussion when you said that I mean the current younger generation they are not prepared to wait or see till the end. I am referring to Gajendra Moksha. Wait till the end and then you could see yourself the God is helping you. But instead of waiting till the last minute, they lose faith and they just slip out of the religion and spirituality. Now, how do you instill faith in God in them?
See, there is no magic formula. Faith in God is a blessing of God. Faith in God, it's between you and God. We can only see, making any relationship between another person, it is between you and, I can recommend somebody, you can go and meet him, but finally they have to form a relationship, correct? So it's every individual has to cultivate relationship to God. We can't do anything, he has to develop. We can give prasadam, we can sometimes bring them to temple, correct? We can give a good example, but it's for the individual to go forward.
Yes.
But then, you can take horse to water, but a horse has to drink the water.
Yes, Prabhuji.
So in one sense, we can be a bit detached, little bit detached, because just like we see now King Anga, he saw the sun becomes not bad, he sees the sun becoming demoniac. He's killing his friends, killing them like animals. He saw all that and he knew that his main business is to go back to Godhead. He's trying to do his duty to the world, giving them another well-trained king. He knows it's not possible. So let me take care of myself. So Hare Krishna. And he blissfully walked away. He was a great king. Whole kingdom searched for him. But it's a time is time. How much, what I can do, So take care. Let me take care of myself. Shri Radha Govinda ki,
Jai.
Netaji ki,
Jai.
Prabhupada ki.
Jai.
Hare Krishna.
No.
Prabhuji, we are getting darshan now.
Yes, you are getting darshan. Hey, close up kar do.
Krishna Prabhuji.
We'll give you
Thank
close
you
up.
for your kind courtesy shown to me as I
Huh?
came along with Tamil devotees and I got your blessings and got initiation with mercy. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Arranging for you darshan. Yeah, thoda
Beautiful,
or
Prabhuji.
close,
The
or
Lord.
close, or close.
Oh,
Yes.
Prabhuji.
അവൻ
Hare
ഉറങ്ങി
Krishna.
എഴുന്നേറ്റെന്നാ പറഞ്ഞു.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Hare
Hare,
Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare,
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Thank you.
Hare